71 Super Beetle. Are you pumped? No? So not as much stuff in it as the GTO, but this thing reeks like a ripe litter box. Ugh, nasty. Give me the mousage. Cats? Piss? No. We better get the shop back. Let's just check it. I think Dubworks used this last. Oh yeah, he did. Yep. I think he vacuumed out his 67 with this thing. Yeah. Might be time for a new filter. Yeah, this one's pretty bad. Well, it smells a little better, guys. Not much better. I gotta figure out how to get these new high back seats out. I guess it's the same, huh? These new cars, the seats just come right out of them so easy. Yeah, let's go. Love these new cars. They got the hooks right on the bumpers. Engine-wise, well, let's check this out. It's not stuck. That's a good sign. Still has all of this, whatever that is. What do you think? Will it run? Oh, look at that. Now that, guys, that is a first right there. I mean, that oil is right on the money. Looks pretty clean too, actually. We'll go ahead and get this cleaned up. I won't bore you with that. Let's lift up the Rolling Stones tongue. Oh, that's a light. It's a cool turtle. Tons of oil, brake fluid, all the normal VW things in here. As Dubworks would say, 30 or 40% more trunk space. Nice breaker bar, hitch, jumper cables. Love that turtle. Alarm system. How's that trunk? Let's see. Urgh. Peanuts. Get your peanuts. I don't think I've ever seen peanuts in a VW. Shells, that is. That's first, I believe. We had a little rain delay, so let's get back to it. Hit the car wash song. What good's 30 or 40% more trunk space when you can't open it? Damn new cars. Yeah, I know there's a little lever in here. Yeah, I do know that. At least I kind of remembered that. Yeah. This is one of those two-person jobs, right? Or you just get a pry bar. Right up into my chin. Does this car not like me? It did work. I'm done. I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, guys, it's been a while. I will do a first start on that. Just give you a shop update. We're getting moved in. GTO VIN number check coming up. 62 double cab. Just give you the quick tour. 59 single cab. We got the 58s in the corner here. The 58 Agave, the 58 L and J, Larry and J. Patina car, 58 Euro, 63 ruby red, barn dubs and J, ragtop, 59 very original, hardtop, 2310 dune buggy with 48s, well-built engine. Oh, who's this guy? Yeah, that's what I did today. We got Dubworks' 914 over. Smoked my winch doing it as usual. Wouldn't it be the last car I had to move at the shop? Yeah, let's take a look. The last car, finally, I'll be officially moved out of the blue box. Dubworks 914. It's going to the new shop. Last one. And you know, if Dubworks is involved, it's going to involve a smoking winch. Yeah. So make it a great week. Thank you guys for dropping in. I hope everyone's having an excellent summer. We will see you soon. I will be back in the woods, New Hampshire, digging out those buses. So stay tuned for that. Take care, guys. Isn't that much better? Yes. These are the lights that JC-LGL sent me. We've got 2, 4, 6, 8 or 10 of these, but just listen. So thank you to JC-LGL. This is like take 5. Try to say that multiple times quickly. So looking forward to getting the rest of those hung. But so if you heard the noise in that last clip, which I'm sure you did, it'll be quiet. So more soon on the goat or not goat. L-goat, la-goat, what do you guys call it? All right, I gotta go. Gotta go up to New Hampshire. So we'll see you soon. Take care, guys.